Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung ating collective love reading. Collective to guys, wala tayong specific zodiac sign. Ang importante yung reading. Kung makarelate ka, maaaring ang reading ay para sa'yo. Pero kung hindi ka makakarelate, huwag natin ipilit. Hindi to personal reading. Kung gusto mo mag-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, siya yung pwede magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. Anyway, this is for collectives. Let's start your reading. For collectives, please, Spirit guides, angel guides. Collective love reading. Main energy you do have here, the Two of Pentacles. Four of Cups. Okay, this is your main energy. I'm feeling like with the Eight of Swords, pwedeng currently you are stuck sa isang situation. And I feel like sa mga priorities mo ngayon, alam mo na nasasaktan mo yung person na ito, nakakonect mo. And I'm feeling like hinahanap mo siya. Or might be no. Yung iba sa inyo ganun may hinahanap ka sa kanya. Or maybe sa mga taong nasa paligid mo ngayon, kung ano yung mga kaya nilang i-offer sa'yo, kung ano yung mga kaya nilang ibigay. Like maybe you are stuck sa isang connection, sa isang person, na parang pinaghahanapan mo ng mga bagay na pwedeng alam mong kayang i-offer nitong past connection sa'yo. For some of you could be dealing with two people. And sa ngayon, parang kahit anong ipakita sa'yo ng person na kakonect mo ngayon, parang you're not happy, you're not satisfied. Nakikita natin na pwedeng yung past person na ito, nakakonect mo might be, alam mong nasaktan mo siya, and then might be may ending na nangyayari sa inyong dalawa. And yeah, I feel like yung iba sa inyo, may mga bagay ka lang tinry, and then now, parang nagsisisi ka na tinry mo. Who is this person that you're dealing with sa iyong past? Sino yung person na nakakonect mo sa iyong past? Spirit guides, angel guides for our collectives, please. This is like a past energy, so I will get the energy of your past person. Yeah, you do have here the Three of Wands. Nakakita ko ng person na very playful, you know. Parang this person, I don't know, pwede may childhood memories kayo with the Page of Swords. Pwede rin namang wala. But with the Knight of Cups, I feel like there's a lot of love and emotion mula dito sa taong to. And I feel like alam niyang attracted ka pa sa kanya. You know what I mean? Alamin natin. Kukuha ko ng card mula dito sa deck na ito. For collectives, please. I feel like may mga ginagawa siya ngayon. Maybe pinopost siya ngayon sa kanya social media na makakapagpa-attract pa sa'yo, na alam niya makakapagpa-attract sa'yo, whether may kinalaman niyo sa simpleng picture lang or something na fineflex niya sa sarili niya. Not today is here. This is you, pwedeng hindi ka masyadong nakikipag-interact, communicate dito sa person na ito. the golden mirror, and your person is nagfo-focus din naman niya sa kanyang sarili. Yeah, because may coffee, no? There's this ending na nangyayari sa inyong dalawa nitong person na ito. You're not dealing with this person, pwedeng may pag-iwas, you're avoiding, or pwedeng, kasi nga, nasa, ano ka ngayon pag-focus sa mga priorities mo. And then you do have your I like you and healthy choices. So, I feel like there's a lot of pagkagusto sa energy ninyo dalawa. Gusto mo siya, gusto ka niya. But for now, ang mas pinipili ninyo is yung self-love, you know. You are taking care of yourself, and then gano'n din naman yung person nito. And maybe you feel like yung mga bagay na nasa harapan mo ngayon, ito talaga yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo. And then yung person na ito is also the same. Pwedeng hindi ka niya masyado pinapansin because, you know, there's this act. So, there's separation or maybe silent treatment na nangyayari dito sa connection na ito. Okay? So, ano ba talaga yung mga nasa emosyon nyo para sa isa't isa? Spirit guides, angel guides for collectives. You do have here the 4 of Pentacles and the 3 of Cups. Strength card is here. Page of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the King of Swords. Mutual energy. Separation and healing heart. Bottom of the deck is the Hand of Cards. I feel like itong person to siya yung nakikita natin parang favorite kind of person mo. Siya yung paborito mong tao. Like, you want to talk to this person na parang kahit kayong dalawa lang mag-usap, ganyan. One-on-one talk. Pwedeng kahit may kasamang pag-iinom or alak. Yung iba sa inyo hindi ko nila lahat, but if you're drinking, might be siya yung parang willing kang i-open yung sarili mo sa kanya. Because he or she is your favorite person nga, diba? Gusto mo siya in a way na parang komportable ka sa kung ano yung makita niya sa'yo. Parang alam mo, natanggap ka niya kung ano ka. And that, with the 4 of Pentacles, I feel like this is an energy of pagtatago with the 4 of Pentacles. Like, tinatago mo kung ano yung totoong emotion mo para sa kanya, which is gusto mo siya. Gusto mo siya. Okay. And then gusto mo na reconciliation sa inyong dalawa. Okay. Maybe pwedeng ipalabas mo yun sa kanya as a friendly reconciliation, pero deep inside, maybe you want more than that. Okay. You want more than this reconciliation. With the separation, so of course, you do miss this person dahil sa separation na nangyayari sa inyo, and I feel like hindi ka na sure regarding sa future ninyo, and your person with the healing heart is healing from the heartbreak. So nakikita natin nasasaktan siya, pero nagmamatigas siya with the Strength card, with the Page of Pentacles. I feel like kung naman yung i-offer ng mga tao sa paligid niya ngayon, this person is not interested kasi parang nandito pa siya sa feeling ng parang sobrang down, and parang sa ngayon tinatry niya mag-heal. Okay, and I feel like with the Hand of Cards, both of you are not showing na parang may pagkokontrol dito sa emotions na nararamdaman ninyo sa isa't isa. Like, tinatago ninyo yan with the sunglasses. With the palm tree, both of you nagmamatigas. But there's a lot of love, a lot of intimacy sa isa't isa. Pero nilalayuan nyo yan tinatakbuhan nyo because natatakot kayo masaktan. Pareho kayo natatakot masaktan. Please tell me the emotions, the real emotions, please, Spirit Guides, para sa isa't isa. What are the real emotions? Here we do have here the Hammer. Okay, I will not take this, itong nalaglag, but I will take the ones na natira, na nakatihaya. Photograph is here and heartbroken. So I feel like you are hurt. Maybe there's this particular photo na nakakapagpalungkot or nakakapagpasakit sa inyo, both of you. Pwedeng may mga nakita ka pictures niya na nasaktan ka doon sa mga pictures na yun, and then the same with this person, may mga nakita siyang pictures sa'yo na pwedeng sasaktan siya doon sa mga pictures na yun. This person is really not happy, feeling lost, and at the same time, ayan, nagpapakita dito, matigas lang kayong dalawa, but there's a lot of love with Ace of Cups sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito. Okay? So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? In the near future for the sign of collectives pala tayo, no? Maybe maraming transformation or pagbabago na nangyayari ngayon, and nagkakos or nagdudulot ito ng kalungkutan or maybe silent treatment sa inyong dalawa. In the near future, what will happen for the both of you? You do have here the Temperance, the Wheel of Fortune. One more card for collectives. The Star. This is 3 major arcanas right here. The Empress, the Chariot. Wow, puro major arcanas, guys. 10 of Cups. And you do have here at the bottom of the deck the Ace of Wands. And tell me about the future for the collectives, please. The Phoenix is here. And meron tayo ditong Paradise, Axe, and Mirror. Let's clarify the Axe, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. Yeah, both is here at the bottom of the deck. Wedding rings and coffee cup. I can see a happy new beginning sa inyong dalawa in the near future, and might be napakalayo, no? Maraming mga pagbabago na nakikita natin. This person is really waiting for this thing to happen. Ito talaga yung minamanifest niya. Ito yung gusto niya. The Star. This is you. This is you who he or she really wants. Ikaw talaga yung gusto nitong person na ito. And then gagawa ng paraan nitong person na ito para mabago yung sitwasyon ninyong dalawa. I feel like in the near future, there's a lot of happiness with the Axe. I can see na pwedeng matapos itong silent treatment. And I can see possible a separation with someone, pero hindi sa inyo eh. This could be someone with this could be another person na involved sa connection ninyo. Kasi nakakita tayo dito ng like sabotage energy. Parang kahit anong i-work out or kahit anong ayos or i-work out yung relationship, yung connection, hindi siya nangyayaring maayos. So, I feel like itong connection ninyo, there would be a lot of wounds na mag-heal. So, masakit siya sa una, pero katulad niya ng isang sugat, gagaling at gagaling eh. Mawawala yung sakit. And then after that, nakikita natin that there's this union na possible na mangyari sa inyo nitong person nito. A lot of conversation, mainit-init na conversation between the two of you. And gagawa talaga ng ang person nito na magkaroon ng chance na magkausap kayo. And I feel like in the near future, there's a lot of love, a lot of I can see pagta-travel with the Chariot. We do have here the Empress. This is how you view your person. Nandun yung paghanga mo. And may kita mo the person na ito, nandun pa rin. Still in the near future. Like maybe dito sa mga kakonect mo ngayon, pwedeng may konting paghanga lang. Then after couple of weeks or days, nawawala na yung paghanga or pagkagusto mo doon sa mga taong yon. Unlike this person na in the future nandun pa rin, kumbaga hindi nawawala yung paghanga at pagtingin mong nakikita mo sa kanya, andun pa rin yung na-attract ka sa kanya physically. So, I can see a new beginning between the two of you. Kasi honestly, this is you, the Emperor. Wala kang, kumbaga hindi mo makita sa iba yung pagtingin na nakikita mo sa kanya. Kasi iba talaga siya eh. Iba talaga siya. It's like he or she is your favorite. And pag sinabi nating paborito, mahirap palitan yun. Mahirap palitan yun. Parang tumikim ka man ng iba, mag-try ka man ng iba, iba pa rin siya. So in this near future energy, I can see both of you arriving on each other. And nagkakaroon ng another chance or new beginning sa inyo. But of course, marami munang heartaches ang mararamdaman before this happen. Okay, so thank you for watching. I love you all guys and bye-bye.